So we managed to get the arm out on the front right, and now we're gonna get the brake lines loose and hopefully up here unscrew these and get the old one out, replace the new, and kind of reconnect everything.
Great. This one came out.
That's one out.
Deal yet.
And with the new. So number one is done. We do have it installed right there. I don't know, number one. So number two, here we go. So another thing, we ended up taking off the mud flaps as well as the little things that went right here. As you can see on the back, these right here, and yeah, so these are off now, and it's kind of gonna be more of a, you know, like a flat line, and I would have scraped a lot on that, but I don't know, just an update. All right, so both are on just the front end, and we're gonna lower it down now.
It's still on the jack. We may have gone a little too low. We may have.
Oh my god.
We may have.
Hold on.
It's still on the jack. I hope you know it. It's gonna go lower. At least I think it is.
Oh shit. God. Jesus fuck. Dude, what?
Now you can be one of those cool guys that sits on the floor.
Alright, final result. Here we go. It's too low.
Oh,
it's too low, dude. Oh my god. It's
oh,
talking heavy.
my god.
Jesus. What? Look at that. Oh my god.
Moment of truth, moment of truth.
Is it good?
It's good. Wait.
Actually?
No fucking way. She's good.
Oh my god. And we have just the slightest bit of camber. Actually, that's a big amount of camber.
It's so even.
Oh,
If
what?
if you can get away with driving in the front and not rubbing, this is perfect. Dude, the bottom of your car is the bottom of your skirt is four fingers.
Jesus. Look at this.
Holy
It's
fuck,
about
dude.
a little bigger than the foot, but oh my god, look how low that sits. Jesus.
All right,
It's just stance. Oh my god. So overall, look at this. Look at the ground. Oh my god.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Look from back here.
Okay, hold on. Oh, that's beautiful.
You look so fat.
Look at that. Oh.
Dude, you're lower than I am. You're genuinely lower than I am. Ain't no fucking way, bro.